Ever wish your Chrome browser could do exactly what you want? Well, today we're diving into the exciting world of Chrome extensions, where we'll unlock the power to customize and enhance your browsing experience in just a minute and a half. We'll be covering the basics, so you can create your own extensions. First, you'll need a text editor now. Every extension starts with 3 fundamental components: an HTML file providing the user interface, typically a pop-up window, a JavaScript file for the logic and functionality, and a manifest file. Think of it as the extension's ID card, which tells Chrome everything it needs to know. Let's focus on that manifest file. It's crucial. It's named manifest and includes details like your extension's name, description, version number, and which files to use. You'll also specify permissions, such as accessing tabs or storage. Next comes the JavaScript. This is where the magic happens. This file handles the actual tasks that your extension will perform. Think of pulling data from a specific website, manipulating elements on the page, or responding to a user's interaction with the extension. Once you have your HTML, JavaScript, and manifest file all created and in its own folder, head to Chrome's Extensions Management page. Enable Developer Mode in the upper right corner, then click Load Unpacked and select your extensions folder. Congratulations! You've just loaded your first Chrome extension. Test it out, tweak the code, and keep experimenting. There are endless possibilities, from simple productivity tools to complex web integrations. And that's it. With these fundamental concepts, you're ready to start building your own Chrome extensions. Remember to explore the Chrome extension documentation for detailed guidance. Happy coding!